Stanislav, I heard there's some type of visa that's good for entertainment professionals, artists, musicians, sculpture makers, and people like that. People who play in the video games, people who create those video games. What type of visa is that? So today, guys, we're gonna be discussing this great visa, which is called O-1B. And it's important to add that B at the end, and I will explain why. Also, today you will learn how to get a free evaluation of your O-1B case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. We are discussing today the O-1B visa, the visa for talented persons in the entertainment, art, video, movies industry. Okay? And you remember that I mentioned in the beginning of the video that the O-1B is important distinction from what? From which visa? Well, of course, from O-1A. Stanislav, O-1A, O-1B, who cares? The talented people from different industries. Why? This is a good guess, a good train of thoughts. However, if you go a little bit deeper, and I like to go a little bit deeper, we'll find out that the criteria are different for O-1A and O-1B. Moreover, O-1B has additional criteria that are not to be found anywhere else in other talent visas like O-1A, EB-1A, and EB-2NIW, which is also a talent visa. So let's discuss this, let's talk about it. So number one, O-1B could be issued for up to 3 years. And your whole family, you, your spouse, and your kids under 21 who are not married will get O-1 visa. You will get O-1. The family will get O-3. You will be able to work. Your spouse will be able to stay, go to school, and travel. Your kids will be able to go to school for free. You will be able to extend that visa by a year indefinitely if your employer needs you. You also must have an employer who may be an agent, an agency. It might be your own company in case you don't have an employer in the US, but you want to do some kind of business. So those are the main things. However, what's more important is the criteria. In O-1B visa, we have 6 criteria, out of which 3 must be proved. Okay? And guys, trust me, O-1B is one of the most complicated visas to understand. It's not as complicated to get once you work with professionals, but the trainings for my team and my own understanding of this visa came much later after I started practice. Okay? And I mean the deep understanding, because you can understand the tip of the iceberg, but there is a lot more underneath, and it comes only with practice. And the only denial of O-1 visa actually happened early in my career for O-1B visa. So that was the only denial out of hundreds of O-1A visas and O-1B visas that I filed throughout my career. So 6 criteria. Number 1, and let's first talk about the easy ones. All right, so number 1 is press. Press about you, your achievements, your music, your sculptures, your paintings, your NFTs, your circus performance, whatever that is. Okay? So this one is clear. Just show me the press. We're gonna get that criterion done. Number 2, the commercial success in whatever you do or critical acclaim in whatever you do will satisfy the second criterion. Number 3, and that one is the one you love the most, or you will love the most, is basically recommendation letters. You guys always ask me, Stanislav, why do you want 15 recommendation letters for EB-1A or O-1 or EB-2NIW? Why do we need them at all? That's the answer to your question. Because there is a visa, the talent visa, which has one of the criteria as recommendation letters. So if we have it in one visa, it definitely plays an important role in others. The number is a little bit different. The number 15 I came up throughout my career, okay? I found out this is a good number to cover all I need by my methodology, Shamayev methodology, all right? Trademark. Recommendation letters is a separate criterion in O-1B. Now, number 4, commercial success, the money that you make. Okay, that's easy. You must make significantly more than similar professionals in your field in your geographical location. So in other words, in your city or your village or wherever you live. So we have 2 more, which actually blow everybody's mind. Number 5, your critical leading or steering role in a company, organization, or project with distinguished reputation. And you'll be like, well, Stanislav, all right, where is the catch? Because that's almost exactly what EB1A has and O1A. True, you're right. However, it has 2 components. Component of the past and a component of the future. Okay, so that's what makes it different. For the past, exactly, we have EB1A or 1A and we prove it from the past. But hey, how do you prove the future? Critical, leading, steering, whatever. How do you do this? Well, the idea behind O1B is that you come here and you work for some project, for the movie, for the TV show, you play in a concert, you play at a club, at a restaurant, which have the distinguished reputation. So basically by coming to work for this or that agency, employer, federation, association, it's presumed that they are your employers or the agents. Can be having different employers, right? So that's where the future roles come in. So for example, you know that you will be playing some role in a Star Wars movie. Is Star Wars movie has distinguished reputation? Absolutely. No one is going to argue with this. And your role is going to be X, Y, and Z. Okay? So we need to prove both. And the 6th criterion is exactly the same. You participate in events or some kind of meetings with prestigious with prestige. All right? Easy to explain if you're a model, you compete in a beauty contest, you walk and it's a nice event with the good sponsors, with the press coverage. So you participated in a prestigious event, right? So we have the component of the past and we also have a component of the future. So we need to provide and submit to USCIS what other participations we'll be having in the future. Those 2 criteria, they're unique in the whole immigration field. Stanislav, what if I have judging the work of others? If I have scientific publications? If I have professional associations? Are they not going to be part of the petition? Before I answer this question, guys, let me first explain what is a free evaluation and how you get your first step on your way to come to the US. Below this video, there is a link that says free evaluation O1 visa. Click on it, go to the form, fill it out. And within 2 days, I'll get back to you with initial free analysis of your case. And I will tell you which visa is good for you, which criteria we satisfied, which we didn't, and whether you have a potential in the case, which means we can improve it and file it within the 6 next months. If that's the case, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning where I will build a written winning strategy for your case. And the next step is hiring my company and my team to proceed on that strategy. So do it now, guys. Don't miss on this opportunity. It's free, it's fast, and it's very effective. All additional recognition and achievement in your case, I'm gonna use. Don't worry, okay? It's not going away. I'm gonna use it in either alternative criterion, which is the 7th, okay? Or in a subjective assessment of your case, overall merits. And some of you is going to say, hey Stanislav, the O1A or B doesn't have overall merits. Right, it does not, but it's still being analyzed like that. Okay, so, and if you want to take your case up to the federal court, I would love to do this, okay, and create a precedent, some case law, which we can base our future cases. But I don't see the volunteers on that, so we're gonna make argument on that, all right? 6 criteria. We need to have at least 3. We can do this with 4. 5 is better, 6 is the best. If we have more, perfect, okay? So everybody from art, movies, TV, bloggers, marketing people, anyone who does some visual things, even designers, can apply for O-1B, and the chances are very high for approval. Guys, smash the like button if you like my content, if you like my energy. Give me the comments, give me the love, give me the feedback about what I do for you, the value that I bring. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button, smash the bell button, not to miss the 2 videos that I release on a weekly basis. Free evaluation, complex immigration planning, starting your case. That's how you come to the States. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.